Hello guys, once again welcome back to the channel Rahul Automation Studio. So in this video I'm going to explain you the click command of the Selenium. So click maybe need to require on different web elements, like you maybe need to click on a button or you need to click on a checkbox if you want to select a checkbox, and there is radio button and you want to select or unselect that radio button, so like that you can use a click command for it. So let's do it guys. So first of all we have to create a one script. So I have created one script with the name of Selenium practice, and there is a code that is written to open a Chrome browser. So if you have not watched it, so please guys watch my video for the first Selenium script, how you can create a first Selenium script as a beginner. So let's go move ahead. So guys, so after that we have to do driver dot window dot maximize. So we will be maximizing our browser, and after that we will be loading one URL, and after that we will be trying our click operations, how you can perform a click command on different web elements, and you can do on a button click or a checkbox or radio button like that. So we will be opening one URL, that is automation practice URL. Guys, you can also do the practice on this website. It's a dummy website where you can practice your automation concepts. So let's move guys. First we will be opening this URL, and after that we will be showing you how you can write different commands like click commands on the different web elements. So our browser has opened and it is opening the given URL. So it is open. So see guys, there are different elements, that there is search icon is there. If you are going to search anything, you have to enter the text, and then you have to perform a click command on this search icon. There is a cart, suppose there is already saved item in your cart and you directly want to go on the cart page, so you have to click on this cart button page, right? If you want to navigate to any page like woman dress or t-shirt, you have to click on this particular anchor link. So this is an anchor link. So in the same way, if you want to move and you want to add to cart, you have to click on this button, add to cart button. So for all these different type of web elements, there is a command that is dot click. So all these operations you can perform with the help of a dot click. The thing is, you have to find out the XPath or a particular, you have to locate that web element and you have to perform a click command. So we will be trying with our, suppose we are clicking on a woman link, and we will be locating this web element. Okay guys, so this is a woman and this is an anchor tag. So I will be writing XPath for it. This is an anchor tag having the text equal to woman. So right guys, so this is locating our woman web element. So let's try to click on it. I will be giving some static wait here so that we can observe it very carefully. So I will be giving a 4 second of static wait, and after that we have to write driver dot find element by dot XPath. We are using XPath here, so we have to give it as XPath, right? So let's copy the complete XPath from here. And after locating the web element, we have to do the click. So this is a click that I am explaining. By doing a click, you can click on any of the web locator. Okay guys, so again I will be adding some static wait, and okay guys, let's click on this woman, and I will be showing few more web elements where you can do a click operation. Suppose this is the page that has been opened, woman page, and there you can see multiple checkbox are there, and based on this checkbox you can particularly sort out, right? Like you want to filter anything based on that, you can do the filtration. Suppose we will be doing based on the composition, so we have to locate that particular checkbox. Okay, guys. So I am locating this particular based on the checkbox. See, this is the web element for the checkbox. So this is having this ID. So we will be locating this web element with the help of ID. So in the same way, you have to do driver dot find element by dot ID. Simple way. Just mention that ID and what we are going to do. So if you want to click on a checkbox or if you want to uncheck the checkbox, right? So you have to perform a click command on that. Click will do the like what you are doing in the manual steps also you are doing a click unclick, right? You are doing a click again click to check and uncheck. You are doing click only, right? So you have to perform a click command on it. Once this is done, it will filter out based on the selected checkbox. So guys, we will be trying some few other elements also. So we will be trying with the cart button. So let's see. Let's locate this cart, and this is having the title as this. Just copy it. This is an anchor tag, so just paste it like that. This is a title, so you have to find it like at that title, right guys? Yeah. So it is locating this card button and we'll be clicking on it. So give some static delay again so that the page or the filter has been loaded successfully. And after that we will be giving a command to click on the cart icon. So or cart button. So just copy it and paste it here. Okay guys, so this will click on shopping cart button. So now in this, we are doing three different click. One is on the woman anchor link, one is on the checkbox, one is on the cart button. In the similar way, you can also do the click on the radio button or any other link or text or like whatever you can see a different icon. So you can normally perform a click operation on that. Let's try to run it. We will close this one already open browser, okay, so that we will not get confused. So it is opening this URL. After that, it should have to click on the woman. Yeah, it has clicked on this woman icon and it is now loading. So it is working fine. After that, it have to click on a checkbox. So let's see. Yeah, it has clicked. It has clicked on the checkbox. You can see, guys. See, now after that we have given a command to click on the cart and it has clicked on that cart and it has navigated on our cart page. So this is our cart page, but we have not entered anything. If we have entered, it will show you that product under this cart page. So we are able to click on checkbox, button, icon, anchor link. So in the similar way, you can click on any of the web element with the help of XPath or by locating that web element. So thank you guys. That's it that I wanted to explain you the click command that you can perform on different web elements. So it's very simple and you can start automating your test cases. So thank you guys. Thanks to everyone.